Do you struggle with putting on false lashes? Yeah. Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria. Welcome. And if you've been here, then hey boo, I see you. So today I'm going to be showing you how to apply false lashes. I've gotten so many people coming to me and asking,
Maria, how do you put on false lashes? How do you do it? It's so hard. What type of lashes do you use?
and so I want to make this video for you guys. I know a lot of people struggle with it. I used to struggle with it, but once I got it down, I loved it and it was a piece of cake. I'm going to be using these lashes. They're called the Allure lashes. Obviously they're not in the box because they're on my eyes, but they are the band. They're not the individual lashes. I personally never use individual lashes. I like the band. So if you want to learn how to apply false lashes, then please keep on watching. Okay, so getting right into the video. These were the lashes that I purchased. I got these at Ulta. I believe they're like $5.99, so like around $6. And I believe it's pronounced Allure or Allure, I don't know, I'm not sure. But I think these are called Definition, I believe. But it comes with a little lash holder and then the lashes, and then it comes with its own lash glue. I personally never used the eyelash glue that comes with the lashes. I actually use the Duo lash glue. It just says it's the Duo brush on strip lash adhesive in white/clear. Yeah, it looks like this. It comes in a little tube like this. All you're really gonna need is tweezers, your lash glue, and I like to use a mirror to get up really close. And even though these lashes come with a little eyelash holder, you could use that if it helps you out, but I personally like to use tweezers. Tweezers allow me to get a really good grip on it instead of like the plastic holder that it comes with. The tweezers are a lot more sturdy, and so I can put it really close to my eye without losing a grip on the lash. When it comes to lashes, you want to be very gentle pulling them off of the case. You don't want to just like rip them off. But with most lashes, you are going to have to trim them according to the size of your eye. So what I like to do is just kind of hold it with my finger and put it on my eye first, and kind of let it sit there and just kind of look to see. I can already tell it may need to be cut a little bit on the end and a little bit on the front corner. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in so you can really see what I'm doing. Okay, so you see that little piece at the end of the lash? You want to cut that off because that's really gonna irritate your eye. If your lash comes like that, you want to make sure to cut that off. Be careful with this step. You don't really want to mess up your lashes, but I always like to cut the lash this way where I'm cutting the band, not this way where I'm cutting the lash, if you know what I mean. And then I also have to trim some of the back end as well. And then you want to measure that to your eye again. That looks good. So once you have both of your lashes trimmed, you want to take your lash glue and just run it along the band. You don't need a lot, just want to cover the whole band. You have to let the glue dry for a second. You want it to get a little bit tacky right before you put it on. You don't want to just put it on right away, because if you do, it's just going to slide around all over the place on you. And because the band on this lash is pretty thick, I like to go in with my eyeliner and just do a really thin line. This step's going to help for those who struggle with getting the lash super close to your lash line. And then you just grab your lash with your tweezers. This is how I like to hold my lash. You don't want to grab too hard, but you have to have a good grip. And then once your lash has dried for a second, you want to place the lash down onto your eye. So you're going in this direction with the lash kind of pointed up. And I start with placing the lash in the very center first. And then I'll take the tail and place that down at the end of the eye, and then again with the inner corner, grabbing it and placing it down. And then you just really secure it by pushing it in more. Take the tweezers and like grab the lash and just push in this way. And then your inner corner, if you have this problem, just kind of hold it there for a second. So I forgot this step, but usually when you open a fresh pack of lashes, when you grab it, you kind of want to bend it. You just want to twist the lash a little bit so it can give a little shape, because they come really like stiff, you know? See how that's like really rounded out? Apply your glue. Again, while that's drying, we'll just add a little bit of eyeliner. Okay, so once you have your lashes on, you don't want to forget mascara. You have to put mascara on your lashes, that way they blend together and it looks more real. But when it comes to putting mascara on to false lashes, you want to make sure that your lash is dry. You don't want to just go straight into it. So make sure your lash is dry. And then if you don't want to, you don't have to take the mascara onto your false lash. You just want to coat your real lashes. You don't want to forget your lower lash line. And that's it. It's that easy. False lashes can be very tricky at times, especially if you don't know the little tips and tricks, like trimming the lashes, kind of bending them a little bit. They can be a little annoying to put on. They just won't stick. Even not letting your glue dry down a little bit will make your lashes even that much harder to put on. So if you try out those little tips, then I think it'll make it a lot easier to put your false lashes on. But of course, it takes a lot of practice. You're not gonna get it the first time. And if you do, congratulations. I definitely didn't get it the very first time. Another thing is it really helps to use tweezers. I know a lot of people struggle and try to put it with their fingers, and if you can do that, props to you, but I cannot do it with my fingers, so I have to use tweezers. And I use a mirror and I get like super close like this, and I just press it down in the center first, like I said, and then the ends from there. But once you practice enough, you'll eventually get it down and it'll be super easy to put on false lashes, and they are addicting. Once you learn how to wear a pair of lashes, you're gonna love it. You're gonna want to keep wearing them all the time. So definitely try it out. If you've never worn false lashes in your life, try it. I'm telling you to try it. I can't live without them. Like I said, you don't have to get lashes that are as dramatic as mine, but I personally love my lashes to make a statement, so I like them to be really loud and out there. But you can get some pretty natural ones just to add some volume to the lashes that you already have, and that's perfectly fine too. But if you found this video to be helpful, then please give me a thumbs up letting me know, and leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite lashes are. I need to start shopping for more lashes, and I'm not sure which ones I should get, but let me know which ones are your favorite, and leave me some comments if you want to see a tutorial on this makeup look. I didn't film it, but now I'm thinking about it, so if you want to see this look, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!